Hi, Tim Desart with Energy Smart Homes. We're here in Mount Pleasant, North Carolina at the Moose Pharmacy, built back in 1882. This will be our last video blog from the Moose Pharmacy as we've finished all of our weatherization work here. Their two biggest issues were air leakage and insulation. I'm going to go around and show you some of the measures that we employed here to help them save energy and save money. Our first job is to seal around the perimeter, the outside of the building. You don't want to let air into the building at all. Sealing from the inside, not a good measure. You're still getting a lot of leakage in your walls, which can cool or heat the walls and raise your heating or cooling load. And also these leaks will find a way to get in and out, so not a good place. One thing we did was we sealed all of their windows and doors with new weather stripping, new caulking. They wanted to keep their old windows, these same windows they originally built into here in the 1800s. So we kept these in place and just caulked every joint there was in them around the perimeter. Here in the middle, we used a clear quad OC caulk. I think it's the best caulk in the market. Remains pliable even after it's set up. Good through the heating and cooling season. Doesn't get brittle. Doesn't de-adhere. Very good product. From there, I'm going to show you. They do have some attic space here. And here's their attic door. Attic door, the lower door and thermal imaging picked up a lot of air leakage from here up into their attic. So we installed this door that sealed it. No more air leakage, and it's insulated. So here's our new attic door. You can see weather stripping around it, fully air sealed. Gives it about an R20 on the insulation. Insulated all their ductwork up here. All the ductwork, this is cold ductwork, delivering cold air. You can even feel after the insulation it's still cold, but it was delivering this cold air through a hot space. A lot of that coldness was being lost as it traveled through this hot attic. Also sealed any air sealing. This was an uninsulated wall here between the pharmacy and the attic. Added bad insulation and radiant barrier to air seal it and provide the insulation. Added foam like back in here wherever you had a lot of leakage. This was a duct boot going down through the floor. There was a penetration through the floor providing leakage into the space. So we sealed the leaks with the foam and also went ahead and covered the boot with the foam to provide insulation for that duct boot. Then we'll head down into the basement, show you some of our measures in there. Right this way. Here's the doorway into the basement. So this is basically the barrier between your conditioned space and unconditioned space. It was not insulated or sealed. We insulated it with bad insulation and sealed it with foam insulation. Sealed all around there, all around the door, all sealed up with foam. So no air leakage between here and there, and insulated. They had an uninsulated floor in here. Big area for heat loss in the winter time. We went ahead and sprayed foam insulation up here. It was also extremely leaky. Lots of big penetrations where these pipes were going up through, just big holes cut in the floor where the pipe would go through. A lot of air leakage between this basement and the space above. So went with the foam insulation to seal all of the leaks. And we got 2 inches of 1.5 pound foam, which is about R6 per inch. So we got about an R12 insulating value and totally sealed up. Sealed and insulated exposed ductwork down here as well. So we're finished up here now. All of our efficiency measures have been installed. And we're done here at the Moose Pharmacy in Mount Pleasant. Thank you.